A performing arts student whispers her way into becoming a YouTube sensation and earning a staggering $78,000 per year. Welcome to InformOverload. I'm your potato jester, Johnny Rogers, at your service. And if you're new to the channel, we tell you about the most interesting news stories we find on the internet, and we make them more entertaining. A 21-year-old performing arts student named Sophie Michelle has dubbed herself an ASMR artist, which stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. She came across ASMR when in 2015 her brother James had developed a brain tumor. The stress and anxiety put on her while this was happening prompted her to search for YouTube videos that would help her sleep. She said that it helped her so much she began using the videos to ease her anxiety even during the day. I'm all for this actually. It seems really weird, but hey, if someone whispering sweet nothings to you helps calm you down without the use of medication, go for it. To each their own, as they say. Apparently even large record-breaking artists like Cardi B are fans of the method, which makes a ton of sense considering she's almost always yelling. I mean, you gotta balance that somehow. The technique involves more than just whispering though. Over the course of putting out 199 videos, she also includes stroking hand gestures with her makeup brushes and will even roleplay. I guess if you're a performing arts student, you can set yourself apart from the 13 million other ASMR broadcasts on YouTube by simply just pretending to be a doctor or a mermaid. There was even a study conducted at the University of Sheffield that found when people receive the tingles, as they call it, from these videos, it noticeably reduces their heart rate and increased positive emotions, which is terrific to hear, and not to mention, she seems like a genuine person. Sophie has used her income from YouTube to pay for her degree and is grateful for her fans, saying, "It's amazing that I'm able to help people with their depression and anxiety. My fans online are so lovely and constantly grateful for my videos." And it shows. After her video about hypnosis garnered more than 2.5 million views, her subscribers jumped from 30,000 to over 200,000 in a month. Now, this is all well and good, but as I've mentioned before, the internet has its dark corners. People are also accusing her of creating fetish videos, meaning that a certain number of people are sexualizing the whispering instead of using it to treat a lack of sleep. Sophie claims that if this is the case, she believes that those people have more of a personal issue, and it was never her intention to create that specific type of content. I mean, come on internet, why do you always have to ruin a good thing? Only the internet could take a treatment for anxiety and depression and transform it into a monstrosity. The craziest part of this trend is that it seemingly came out of nowhere, like esports or gluten intolerance. I think the biggest takeaway from this is that if you're passionate about something, just stick with it. If you find something that helps you be happier and a more positive person, no matter what that is, just don't quit. And share your positive experiences. We never know what the next trend will be, and just because your videos aren't catching on now, it doesn't mean that they won't in the future. I never ever would have been able to call this in a million years. If you told me that I'd be part of a loving potato community and talking about people who make money who whisper, I would have called you a spud. But here we are. Imagine we get to a point where doctors are recommending daily whisper videos to help with anxiety. I mean, it's wishful thinking, I guess. Hard for Big Pharma though to make money that way. With that, let's entertain your brain with some comments, shall we? Comment time. Feminine Delo says, "Johnny, you're my fave. Keep it a secret." Ooh, secret's out. Just Chill for Life says, "Everybody listen to Johnny's advice. I think we should all take the advice of your name and just chill for life." MGZ1337 says, "Johnny is a nice host. Why do people bully him? He's new and he's doing a great job. Encourage him, people." I appreciate the support, but as I've said before, there's a fine line between bullying me and giving feedback. I'm open to constructive criticism, and the moment that I don't entertain you, toss me aside. That's my job. As Sally Vavila says, "Give me your belly button. Good try, but you gotta earn it. Maybe for $100 billion. Eat7890 says, "Are you a Leaf fan? I was for my entire life, until last season. Seeing what the Las Vegas Knights did as a new team made me drop the Leafs so fast, and honestly, I don't think I'm gonna miss them. They haven't won a Stanley Cup since 1967, and I don't see them doing it anytime soon, even with Tavares." Thank you for watching InformOverload. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Plus, I'd love to get your take on this, so comment down below with what you thought. Do you think that whispering is the way of the future, or is this just a trend that will come and go like everything else? And if you want more videos like this one, just click the playlist on the screen. And if you have any hot tips on any new and exciting stories that you want us to cover, just find my Instagram in the description below and send me a DM. From InformOverload, I'm Johnny Rogers, and until next time, take care.